How to fill out Form Schedule C on FreeTaxUSA. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, you want to open up any web browser and head over to freetaxusa.com. Then on this web page, you want to click on the Sign In option. Click on the Create New Account option if you are a new user. Otherwise, you want to enter your username, then enter your password. And now click on the Sign In Now option. Once you have been signed into your account, start a new tax return for the tax year you're filing for. Then fill in your personal information as prompted. Now you want to head over to the option of self-employment income or business income. This is where you're going to find the option to fill out Form Schedule C. Provide all the details about your business, including its name, address, and employer identification number if applicable. FreeTaxUSA is going to guide you through the process of filing out Form Schedule C. You'll need to enter information about your business, income, expenses, and deductions. In Part 1, simply report all the income earned from your business. In Part 2, enter the details about your business expenses. For Part 3, enter the cost of goods sold. For Part 4, enter the information on your vehicle. Then for Part 5, you want to enter the other expenses such as any other deductible expenses not included in Part 2 or Part 3. Then you want to review all of your entries. After that, you can submit your tax return. Make sure that you check all the information for accuracy. To submit your return, simply follow the on-screen prompts. After filing your tax return, you should receive a confirmation of your submission. Make sure to keep a copy of your tax return. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section below. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.